Alright, hey guys, out here getting some stuff done. This next little clip here, before we headed out to Colorado this past elk season, we threw this we call elk crate or elk locker together. I had a big old wooden crate from work I brought home. Taylor was working on a school construction job. They were re-roofing, so there were some big sheets of some 3-inch thick foam sheet that they use on the roofs, I guess. So I said, you bring that home, I'll bring the crate home. We can make one big chest or box, ice box, freezer box, dry ice box, elk locker, I don't know what you want to call it. But here we go. We're going to put together, it was, I don't know, it took half a day, but pretty minimal. Found some stuff around the house, around the shop, around work. We slapped this elk crate together, but we didn't get to throw anything in it. So we still sitting in the shop, or actually it's in the elk trailer, ready for this year. Giddy up.